Science has three branches: physics, chemistry, and biology. Chemistry deals with the matter and its properties, physics deals with the matter and energy both, and biology deals with the living organisms. The word physics means nature or universe. Definition:
The branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. The subject matter of physics includes mechanics, heat, light and other radiation, sound, electricity, magnetism, and the structure of atoms. Physics is the natural science that studies matter, its motion and behavior through space and time, and the related entities of energy and force. Physics is one of the most fundamental scientific disciplines, and its main goal is to understand how the universe behaves.
Subscribe my channel.